Welcome to Lesson 7 in Unit 1. This is the last lesson in Unit 1, so congratulations. You made it here and you didn't skip it. This last section is on guitar notation, and most of the information is in the book. So I'm not going to try and talk about the actual notation on this video, but I will show you the play and do, what I am suggesting that you do for the play and do section. So the suggestion was to finger the C chord. And remember, we want to keep in mind what we learned about our 3 P's, position, placement, and pressure. And we're going to pick each string name and say the note name as you play it. So for example, I'm going to start on the 5th string because we don't use the 6th string. There's an X over that string. So on the C chord, we start on the 5th string. We're going to say the note name, C. Then we're going to pick the 4th string and say the note name, E. Then we're going to pick the 3rd string and say the note name, G. And then we're going to pick the 2nd string and say the note name, C. And finally, we'll pick the 1st string and say the note name, E. And I want to point out that there's some doubled notes. The 5th string and the 2nd string are both C's. And the 4th string and the 1st string are both E's, but they're in different octaves. So there's only one G in this chord, and it's the 3rd string. So really the chord C only has 3 notes in it, C, E, and G. On the guitar we double them so that we can strum across multiple strings. It's also a great habit to review the scale degrees, which would be 1 on the 5th string, 3 on the 4th string, 5 on the 3rd string, 1 on the 2nd string, and 3 on the 1st string. Remember, the scale degrees have to do with the scale. So if we're saying the scale is C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, we've got C is the 1, 2, 3, E is the 3, 4, 5, G is the 5. So the notes C, E, G are 1, 3, 5, but they manifest themselves in the chord, starting the 5th string as 1, 3, 5, and an octave higher. 1, 3, 5, 1, 3. Finally, what I suggested you do is just review again the open note names, which are E on the 6th, A on the 5th, D on the 4th, G on the 3rd, B on the 2nd, and E on the 1st. And I've probably done that little activity 2 or 3 times in these videos. So that's a hint that you really need to know the names of your open strings. E, A, D, G, B, E. That's super important whether you're tuning, playing, etc. All right, great. I'm so excited you made it through Unit 1. And Unit 2, we're actually going to play some songs. So get ready and we'll have some fun.